Hey beauties, it's me Evie, and I'm here collaborating with a brand called Deminuage. And what it is, it's an innovative, non-invasive micro needling dupe, maybe say. If you're a fan of micro needling at a salon or at home, you'll want to try this out. So like I said, it's from a brand called Deminuage. Can you see that? So I'm just going to open it. I'm opening it for the first time with you guys. Here is the packaging. You have your papers. And you can register your product. I give you a link to do that. It says it boosts your inner glow, Deminuage Skincare. What do we have in here? You have your little package of a battery. And they give you the pen. So this is your NanoPen. It's just a sleek design, and they give you a battery, and you just untwist this, and it just pops in like that, and then you screw it back. So there you go. So we'll just set that aside. So then they give me 2 packs of the Brightening serum. They gave me 4 daily serums, and they gave me 2 booster serums. So the daily you can use obviously daily, and the booster, it's 1 to 2 times a weekly for a deep boost. So we'll go back to our card and see what it says. So remove a new NanoChip cartridge from its sealed bag. So let's do a daily. This is the NanoChips, and it's the daily one. And they're all individually packaged. That is what it looks like. I particularly didn't put on makeup for this. Take this out. You take one of these little buddies out, I think. So you have to screw in your NanoChip, which is this, to your NanoPen. And you can see that it has a screw part. So you just take that and do that to it. Okay, so that is in and ready. Now, it does say you can use your own serum, but because they provided us the brightening system, I'm going to go ahead and use it. So it tells you what to do down here. It says open serum, placing hands on each end of the bottle and twisting along the bottleneck. I'm horrible at these things. Okay, so the twisting that it tells you to do was not working for me. I cut it a little bit. Gets a little drainage. Then you take this little thing that they provide you, and you just screw it down on your bottle. Oh, and when you squeeze it, stuff comes out. Okay, so it says apply serum by holding the bottle vertically to face and gently tapping the rubber head against skin. Press the power button at the bottom of the NanoPen to turn on. Hold the NanoPen perpendicular to the face and gently begin sliding the NanoChip onto the skin, starting from the inside to outside and bottom to top. Do not slide the NanoChip onto the same surface more than 3 times. Continue until the desired area has been treated. Reusing the brightening serum is not recommended once. Okay. So it says if you don't use the whole thing, throw it away. But I'm sure we will. So I'm going to I'm going to leave my glasses on so I can do this correctly. I can't see. So I'm just going to take this and do a small amount. going to do my chin area first. Hello, why aren't you coming out? Oh, there, you had to mash it. There, it come out that time. Okay, so now I'm just gonna push the button and I'm just gonna slide it. There's no pain. It's just a little vibrating.
This is round 2.
Okay. So as you can see, there's like no redness really. So I'm gonna go a little further up. I keep forgetting to I'm just gonna rub that over that area. Okay. Okay, so you don't have to watch this whole thing. I'm going to do my face and then speed it up probably. And then I will come back and tell you what I think about it. Okay, so I'm back. As you can see that I don't have any real redness to talk about. Just a few spots, like where I have some issues, skin issues. So what you're supposed to do when you get through is just unscrew the chip. And I don't know if it's supposed to have gunk in it afterwards, but mine definitely has gunk in it. I just will slip them back in this little paper and I will toss them. So this is my first experience with this and I plan on using it for the next week to show you and tell you how I like it. So thanks for watching. I will leave some codes in the description where you can check it out and see if you want to maybe try it yourself. Thanks for watching. Remember, be your own beautiful.